Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to start with essentials. Confirm your iPhone model supports NFC and update iOS so the reader stack is current. Once done, reboot the phone to clear transient issues, then remove any thick case or magnetic mount. Now hold the tag at the top rear area. That's where the antenna typically sits. Press gently and keep still for 2 to 3 seconds. If an app is required, open it first and follow its scan or write flow. This reduces background conflicts and speeds detection. Next, perform deeper diagnostics. Enable background tag reading if available, then open the specific app that handles the tag while scanning. Apps often prompt required permissions. Try multiple tags to see whether nothing reads or only certain tags fail. This narrows down tag encoding or physical damage. If the phone is unresponsive, toggle airplane mode or reset network settings to refresh radio subsystems. Also check app permissions for NFC, and for final fixes, back up and restore the iPhone if software corruption remains a possibility. This reinitializes hardware drivers. If only one tag fails, replace or re-encode it, because damaged antennas or wrong tag type, NDEF versus proprietary, will not work. Make sure NFC is not disabled by a device management profile. If all else fails, book Apple Diagnostics. Hardware faults like a broken NFC coil require service. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent detection occurs, test with a floating ground. Try removing the case and holding the phone differently to confirm antenna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.